So you've heard about Credit Karma and you've heard about TurboTax. So today, let's go ahead and discuss about these two platforms and, go ahead and also talk about the key differences between these two platforms. And at the end, I'm going to be giving you my best recommendation between TurboTax and Credit Karma. As you know, Credit Karma is primarily known for offering free credit scores, reports, and monitoring. And also they offer, free tax filing services, through its Credit Karma Tax, now rebranded as Cash App Taxes. And they also provide tools and resources for personal finance, including credit card recommendation and loan options. And at the other hand right here, we have TurboTax, which is one of the most popular tax preparation software, which is owned by Hint2Hit, all right, and it provides a range of tax filing services and also from free to premium options catering to various tax complexities, all right. And also they offer step-by-step guidance, and they also have live help from CPAs and tax experts and a thorough review process. So you can see they have some tax experts right here. That's just about these two platforms. Now let's go ahead and discuss about some key differences between these two platforms. Now, talking about pricing, when it comes to TurboTax, they offer a free version for simple tax returns, but they also charge for more complex returns and additional features. While when it comes to Credit Karma, they are completely free for both federal and state tax returns. So the best here might be Credit Karma for cost effectiveness. In case you're looking for cost effectiveness like me, I'm gonna go with Credit Karma in this. Now let's talk about user interface. When it comes to Credit Karma, they have simplistic and straightforward interface, which is suitable for basic tax filings. While when it comes to TurboTax, they are highly intuitive with an interview style approach, as you can see, that guides user through each steps. And also the best here would be TurboTax because they have more user-friendly design and comprehensive guidance. So even if you check out the dashboard, they still have the user-friendly design. Talking about features and functionality, TurboTax here, they have extensive features including investment income reporting and also rental property income and support for self-employed individuals. While when it comes to Credit Karma, they have basic features, sufficient for simple tax situations. So the best here will still be TurboTax for feature-rich offerings. Let's talk about support and guidance. When it comes to Credit Karma, they have limited customer support, which is primarily through online resources. While when it comes to TurboTax, they have robust support including live chat, phone support, and the option to consult with tax experts. So the best here will still be TurboTax for comprehensive support options, compared to that of Credit Karma. Now let's talk about ease of usage. TurboTax is very easy to use, but with additional guidance that kind of makes it suitable for complex tax situations. So when it comes to Credit Karma, we also have ease of use for straightforward tax returns. So best here might be for TurboTax because it has overall ease of use, especially for complex returns. Now let's talk about audit support. When it comes to TurboTax, they provide audit support through its Audit Defense and TurboTax Audit Support Center. While when it comes to Credit Karma, they do not offer audit support as at the time of creating this video. So the best here will be TurboTax for audit support service. All right. Now let's talk about importing of data. When it comes to Credit Karma, they have basic data import capabilities. While when it comes to TurboTax, they have advanced data import featuring including W2 import from employers and also import from investment accounts. So the best here will be TurboTax for robust data import functionalities. Now let's talk about mobile application. When it comes to TurboTax, they have fully functional mobile app that allow users to file taxes through their phone. While when it comes to Credit Karma, they have limited functionalities within the mobile application based on what I've seen. So the best here will still go to TurboTax for a comprehensive mobile application experience. Now let's talk about accuracy guarantee. When it comes to Credit Karma, there is no accuracy. I really can't guarantee the accuracy of Credit Karma, but TurboTax, they still offer a maximum refund guarantee, all right, and 100% accuracy guarantee. So they are covering penalties and also interest if in case there are any calculation errors. So the best here will still go to TurboTax for accuracy guarantee. However, Credit Karma is free, so possibly the guarantee cannot be that secured. So now let's talk about state tax filing. As you know, Credit Karma, they have free state tax filing included. And when it comes to TurboTax, they have charges for state tax filing unless you are using the free version for simple returns. So the best here will still be Credit Karma because they have free state tax filing. Now let's talk about tax situations covered. When it comes to Credit Karma, they are suitable for simple to moderately complex tax situations. And when it comes to TurboTax, they can handle a wide range of tax situations, including business income, investments, and many more. So the best here would be TurboTax for handling complex tax situations. Talking about customer reviews, generally TurboTax has mostly positive reviews, especially for its thorough and ease of use. All right. So with Credit Karma, they also have generally positive reviews for basic filings, but they have mixed reviews on more complex situations. So when it comes to complex aspects, you see some people talking negative about Credit Karma and also some talking positive. So the reviews are kind of mixed, but mostly the complex aspects are mostly negative, while the basic filings are mostly positive with Credit Karma. But TurboTax will still be the best here because they have high customer satisfaction. Let's talk about promotion and discount. When it comes to Credit Karma here, they have no promotions as the service is already free. For TurboTax, they frequently offer discounts and promotions, especially during tax seasons. So the best here will be TurboTax for potential savings through promotions. Talking about integration with financial products, TurboTax, they integrate with other Intuit products like QuickBooks and Mint for comprehensive financial management. While when it comes to Credit Karma, they integrate with Credit Karma suites of financial tools such as credit score monitoring. So the best here will still go to TurboTax for seamless integration with other financial tools. Now the last difference I'm going to be talking about here is the refund option. As you know, Credit Karma, they have limited refund option, but out of TurboTax, they have multiple refund options including direct deposit, Turbo prepaid Visa card, or you can apply to next year taxes. So that is what I have for you in the differences. Okay, I'm talking about the best in each differences. Now let me round up by talking about my honest opinion. Well, I would base my recommendation on the specific needs and circumstances of you as a user. So here are some scenarios that you want to consider. If you have a straightforward tax situation, such as maybe a single filer with a W-2 and no dependents, and also no significant deduction on credit, then Credit Karma or Cash App taxes could be an excellent choice. Okay, and it's completely free, easy to use, and also there is sufficient for uncomplicated tax returns. While when it comes to complex tax situations, for more complex tax scenarios such as maybe self-employment income, multiple income sources, investment, or itemized deduction, then TurboTax will be the best option because it has robust features, comprehensive support, and accuracy guarantees, which makes it worth the investment. So the step-by-step guidance and access to live experts also, it provides additional reassurance for users with complex tax need. And also in case you need extensive support and guidance, maybe someone who prefers detailed assistance and the ability to consult with tax professionals, then TurboTax will be a good choice for you. Now talking about my recommendation, if I were to choose, I'm gonna go with TurboTax because of its versatility, ability to handle a wide range of tax situations from simple to high complex. So meaning this can grow as my financial situation changes. Okay, and also talking about user experience and also support and assurance, I still prefer TurboTax. So in conclusion, why TurboTax comes with a cost, its comprehensive features, ease of usage, and extensive support, it justifies the investment for a lot of users. So particularly if you are those who with more complex tax situations, or in case you value peace of mind. So in case you're a user with very simple tax returns, or maybe you're confident in handling your own taxes, then Credit Karma, the Cash App taxes can be a good one for you because it is free if you can handle your own taxes. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. If it is, make sure that you hit the like, subscribe, and share button so that YouTube can also boost this video to more people and it can help other people out there. Thank you very much. Till I see you in the next video. Bye for now.